Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the budget allocated for panchayats has been increased to more than 2 lakh crore rupees after 2014, which was earlier less than 70,000 crore rupees. Addressing people in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day celebrations, Modi said the government is constantly working to strengthen the Panchayati Raj system in the country. The Prime Minister laid the foundation stone and inaugurated projects worth more than 17,000 crores. He also virtually attended the housewarming ceremony of 4,11,000 beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Modi also inaugurated the integrated e-gram Swaraj and Gem portal for the public procurement at the Panchayati level. The objective of this project is to enable panchayats to market their goods and services through GEM.
17,000 करोड़ रुपए से भी कम था। क्या इतनी कम राशि से इतना बड़ा देश, इतनी सारी पंचायतें कैसे अपना काम कर पाती? 2014 में हमारी सरकार आने के बाद पंचायतों को मिलने वाला ये अनुदान 70,000 से बढ़ाकर 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा हो गया है।
The three autonomous